Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm going to be show you how can fix Face ID not working problem on your iPhone. So guys, if you are facing this problem, then how can you fix this problem? So let's start our video without wasting our time. Our first step is to clean the depth camera and sensor. Make sure there is no dust or any kind of object on the true depth camera and sensor. If there have any dust, clean it first and check if your problem is fixed or not. The second solution is restart your device. Open your setting, scroll down, tap here journal, and from here scroll down, tap on shutdown, and from here guys restart your device and check if your problem is fixed or not. If it is still not working, then go for other solution. The other solution is carrier update. So guys, from here tap on software update and check if you have any update. Then update it first and check if your problem is fixed or not. If it is still not working, then go for other solution. The other solution is go back and from here tap on here face ID and passcode. Tap here reset face ID and set up new face ID and check if your problem is fixed or not. If it is still not working, then the last solution is go back, tap here journal, tap here transfer or reset iPhone, tap here reset, tap on reset all setting, enter your iPhone passcode and reset all setting, and hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it for today guys. Hope this video helps you. If you like the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.